In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard view in a Notion database. To get started, open the Notion database you want to work with. This can be a database you already use for tasks, projects, goals, or performance tracking. The key idea is that a dashboard helps you turn raw information into something easier to scan and understand at a glance. Instead of digging through rows and properties, you'll build a clearer visual overview of the information that matters most. Once your database is open, create a new view. Views in Notion let you display the same database in different ways, depending on what you want to focus on. This is helpful because you can keep your existing views exactly as they are while building a separate dashboard specifically for monitoring and review. When prompted to choose the type of view, select Dashboard View. This gives you a more very visual and flexible format designed for summarizing information. It's especially useful when you want to quickly check progress, spot priorities, or keep important metrics visible without reading through every entry one by one. Next, choose the data you want to show on the dashboard. This step is important because a good dashboard should stay focused. Think about which properties, categories, or database items are actually useful for day-to-day tracking. You don't need to display everything. In most cases, showing only the most relevant information makes the dashboard much more effective. After that, add charts, cards, or visual summaries. These elements help translate your database into something more readable and actionable. For example, cards can make individual items stand out, while charts and summaries can help you notice patterns, progress, or workload distribution much faster than a standard table view. Once those elements are in place, apply filters so the dashboard highlights only the most important information. This helps reduce clutter and keeps attention on what needs action or review. Depending on your setup, that might mean showing only active tasks, current projects, upcoming deadlines, or key results. Then customize the layout so it is easy to read. Arrange the sections in a way that feels intuitive and clean. Try to keep related information grouped together and make sure the most important items are easy to find first. A simple, organized layout makes the dashboard more useful over time. Finally, start using the dashboard to monitor tasks, projects, goals, or metrics. The real value comes from checking it regularly and letting it serve as your quick command center. Once it's set up well, your dashboard can make planning, tracking, and decision making much easier inside Notion.